go to our website and click on register. You will be redirected to this form. Enter your first name, last name, email address and department. So you have to choose 3 coordinate values based on your understanding according to the map. So click here to view the map. The map will be visible to you. You can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so coordinates are denoted by numbers. Put row values as x coordinate and column values as y coordinate. Okay, so let's say I am choosing this point as my first reference coordinate. Okay, so now how to calculate this coordinate? Okay, so you can see that for simplicity of calculations we have put a red marked line after every 10th line. Okay, so from above this is 10th, 11 and 12. So 12 x coordinate is 12, and what is the y coordinate? So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So that is 12 and 34. So x coordinate is 12 and this is 34. Okay, so like this, please put coordinate 2 and coordinate 3. Okay, now do the same process for rest of the 2 coordinates such that the distance between all the coordinates are greater than or equal to 10. Distances will be auto calculated and shown whenever you shall enter the coordinate values. Okay, so let's say here, let's say I am choosing the coordinate anywhere in the map. So let's say this is 40 and 20. So you can see that distance is 31, and if this distance is less than 10, then that will be shown to you like I said. So let's say I am choosing this as 34. So yeah, distance would be greater than or equal to 10 such that. So now fill up the reason for choosing the corresponding coordinate. So let's say I am saying that I have chosen coordinate 1 because this location is near PG hostel, like that. So now put a rating for each coordinate in a 10-point scale such that sum of 3 ratings are 10. Okay, so let's say I am preferring coordinate 2 then coordinate 1 and coordinate 3. So I have to put the highest value of rating in coordinate 2. Okay, so let's say I am putting a value of 5. Okay, now remaining, you can see here the remaining weightage is 5. So the sum of weightage of rating weightage of coordinate 1 and coordinate 3 should be 5. Okay, so let's say after coordinate 2 I am preferring coordinate 1. So I will put a rating of 3 in coordinate 1 and put a rating of 2 in coordinate 3. So you can see that now weightage is 0, so equal to 10 is satisfied. Okay, if you mistakenly put this as 3, then there will be a pop-up that sum is 11 and sum of 3 coordinate rating should be equal to 10. Okay, so okay, and fill up the form and finally submit it. Okay, click on submit button and okay. Now star mark fields are required. If you don't put the star mark fields, then the form will not be submitted. Thank you.